So as you can see on the screen, finally we have the MHT CET PCM May 12th Shift 1 detailed exam analysis. So if you have appeared for the exam or appearing in the future shift, then make sure to watch this analysis in detail, as you will be discovering some of the very good fact on how was the overall difficulty level of the question paper. We are going to also highlight the topic wise difficulty, like for example, if suppose from EMI some question came, to how was the overall difficulty level of it. We are going to give you a very detailed analysis on that, so make sure you are staying till the end. And if you have any doubt related to how will be the question paper, you can ask the same, and do comment down in the comment box on how did you feel the overall difficulty level of the question paper was. We would like to hear it from you. How did you feel the difficulty level of the question paper was? Because based on that, if suppose there is a major change in the difficulty, we'll be updating the same. But as per the analysis, as per the review that we have received from multiple people, we have created a very detailed analysis, so make sure you are watching it till the end. So as you can see on the screen, we have the subject wise analysis of the overall MHT set question paper for PCM exam for May 12th. So overall the difficulty level was moderate. Physics was 6.8 out of 10, chemistry was 6.2 out of 10, and mathematics was 8 out of 10. So this was the overall difficulty, which we can say subject wise difficulty level. So this is the initial analysis that we have received from multiple candidates who appeared for the exam. And if you have appeared for the exam, then do let me know how did you feel the overall difficulty level was. As per the latest analysis that we have received from multiple candidates, this is the overall difficulty level out of 10. Out of 10, most of the people have felt that this is the difficulty level, which means the overall difficulty level of physics was 6.8 out of 10, chemistry stood at 6.2 out of 10, and mathematics was 8 out of 10. So let's take a look at the overall review. So overall it was moderate. Math has followed up the previous trend, which is math used to be difficult due to the lengthiness of the question paper, sometimes trickiness of the question paper. So these two are the major factors that keep maths difficult. For chemistry, we have received a very mixed reaction, so do let me know in the comment box. Some of the people have said that it was kind of very moderate and almost doable, but we have received few comments where people have said that chemistry was difficult, so do let me know the same. In the same way, for physics, it was moderate. Only numericals part were a little bit confusing. Apart from that, if you knew how to insert formula and apply the formula, then you will be easily able to guess, solve all the questions. So that is what the initial review that we have received from the candidates. And if you are appearing for the future exam, make sure to watch it till the end, because next we'll be highlighting you chapter wise difficulty level on how was the chapter wise difficulty level in the shift 1 exam. So next, as we move ahead, you can check out, we have physics currently on the screen. So overall topic thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases, from questions from these topics were bit difficult, which is 7.8 out of 10, and the priorities is high. If you are appearing for the future exam, then make sure you are very thorough with this question from these topics. Then next is ray optics and wave optics, so 7.2 out of 10, again the priority is high. EMI, induction and alternating current, 7.5 out of 10. Atomic nuclei, 6.8 out of 10. Current, electricity and electrostatistics, 6.5 out of 10. The overall difficulty is medium. Oscillation and wave, 6.2 out of 10. Dual nature and radiation of matter, 5.5 out of 10. Semiconductor and logic gets 3 out of 10. So this is the overall difficulty, which is, we can say, topic wise difficulty level of MHT CET exam. So if you have appeared, do let me know how did you feel, which topic was the most difficult in the exam, and do let me know the priority as well. If you feel that whether we should do shifting in the priority, you can tell me that as well. And if you are appearing in the future shift, then make sure to check out these topics, as this will surely help you to boost your preparation and get better marks in the exam. So next, as we move ahead, you can check out, we have chemistry on the screen. For chemistry, organic reaction mechanism, 6.8 out of 10. Chemical thermodynamics and energetic, it's 7.0 out of 10. For coordinate compound, 6.5 out of 10. P block element, 6.0 out of 10. Electrochemistry, 6.5 out of 10. Chemical kinetics, 5.5 out of 10, D and F block element 4 out of 10, and surface chemistry and solution 4 out of 10. So this is the very detailed analysis currently you will find on the internet, which we have collected from multiple candidates, and we are still in the process of getting more and more reviews. You can also provide your review on how did you feel the overall difficulty level of the question paper was, and if you are appearing in the future shift, then comment down and let me know which shift you are appearing. And if you have any doubt, you can ask the same in the comment section. We'll be adding the marks versus percentile link in the comment box. You can check out the marks versus percentile as well, so that you are able to analyze how many percentile you are going to get. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so. Very soon we'll be dropping expected cutoff for different colleges, video on expected cutoff for different colleges. So all these are going to help you a lot. So make sure you are subscribing the channel, liking this video, and commenting your question in the comment box. So lastly, we have the most anticipated subject, which is mathematics. So how we have already told you the difficulty level of mathematics. So if you see the topic wise distribution, then integration was the most difficult, which is 9 out of 10. Vectors in 3D geometry 8.5 out of 10. Differential equation 8 out of 10. Application of differentiation 7.5 out of 10. Probability and distribution 7 out of 10. Matrices and determinants 6.5 out of 10. Trigonometry and inverse trigonometry 6 out of 10. Continuity and differentiability 5.5 out of 10. So among all these, integration, vectors, differential equation, application of differentiation, so all these are very high weightage chapters that you must be very thorough with if you are appearing in the future shift. Apart from that, the answer key of MHT set will be made available within 1 week. So make sure once the MHT set answer key is released, we will be updating you the same, and we'll be giving you expected date as well based on the update that we receive. So make sure to comment down when do you think the answer key will release. Like, we would like to hear it from you as well. On when do you think the official answer key of MHT set will be made live for you. And apart from that, make sure to check out this full analysis to get a very detailed idea about the overall difficulty level. So now that you are aware of the physics, mathematics and chemistry, let's take a look at what students have said. So one of the candidates from Pune Center said that math was brutal. Integration questions required at least 3 to 4 steps each. I barely finished the section in time. The vectors and 3D questions were very application heavy, not what I expected. So this is the reaction that we have received from one of the students from Pune. From Nashik, we have received physics was okay for me, but my friend found it tricky. Like I have said, we are getting a very little bit mixed reaction, but still we are able to filter out and give you a very detailed analysis. Some questions in the EM induction required deep concept clarity. Formula based ones were fine though. Then definite mixed depending on your preparation. Then one of the student from Mumbai Center said that chemistry was saving grace today. Organic reactions were standard and coordinate compound were easy if you knew IUPAC name. Thermodynamics had a couple of trippy numericals, but overall fine. So this is what the overall student reaction that we have received, and these are the very high priority chapters that you must look into if you are appearing in the future, which is thermodynamics from physics, atomic nuclei from physics, coordinate compound from chemistry, vectors and 3D geometry from maths, ray and wave optics from physics, organic reaction from chemistry, P block element from chemistry, differential equation from maths, EM induction and AC from physics, chemical thermodynamics from chemistry, integration from maths, and probability and distribution from maths. So this is the very high weightage, high priority chapters that you must check out if you are appearing in the future shifts.